How to fix Amazon Flex network error 403. So I'm going to show you a few methods. For the first one, you want to go into your phone settings, and here we'll just search for iPhone storage. You want to open up your iPhone storage, and from the list of applications here, you will just find Amazon Flex. I'll just do this for the first app that I see, for example, Messenger here. What you want to do is click on Amazon Flex in our case, click on Offload App, and then it's going to show you reinstall app. This is not going to delete any of your information. It's just going to verify the integrity of the files. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you can do is change your connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi connection, you want to switch over to cellular data and vice versa. If that doesn't help, the last thing that you can do, and a reason why you might have gotten this error, is because you have been refreshing a lot for blocks to see if any new blocks have popped up and you have been temporarily banned. So what you can do is just wait, and it should resolve on its own in a few hours. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.